Our journey began on the sunlit island of Crete, where the air carries the scent of the sea and the echoes of ancient legends. From the port, we set sail toward one of the island's most famous destinations, Balos Lagoon. But before reaching that paradise, our boat made a memorable stop at Gramvousa Island. If you'd like to support our channel even more, you can also click the Super Thanks button here on YouTube. Every bit of support really helps us grow and bring you more useful content. Our boat made a memorable stop at Gramvousa Island, a place that feels like it belongs both to history and to myth. As we approached, Gramvousa revealed itself as a rugged jewel surrounded by dazzling turquoise waters. The island seemed untouched, wild, serene, and inviting. Its beautiful beach sparkled under the Cretan sun, offering the perfect spot for a swim in clear, refreshing water. Are you planning your next trip abroad? Then you need to check out the Wise card, the most international debit card on the planet. We use it every time we travel, and it truly makes a difference. With Wise, you can pay and withdraw money in the local currency wherever you are. By applying through our link in the description, you'll get your first transfer of up to £500 completely fee-free. It's fast, it's secure, and the link takes you directly to the official Wise website. Apply for your Wise card today using our link below. If you're enjoying this video, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out. What truly catches your eye is the fortress perched high on the rocky peak, silently overlooking the sea. The fortress above the sea. Determined to see the view from above, we began the ascent to the top. The path winds steeply in zigzags, and though it demands effort, every step feels rewarding. The higher we climbed, the wider the horizon became, the sea stretching endlessly, the coastline of Crete fading into the distance. At the summit stands the Venetian fortress of Gramvousa, built in the late 1500s to defend the island from pirates and invaders. Centuries later, it became a stronghold for Cretan rebels during the island's struggles for independence. Walking through its ancient walls, you can almost sense the presence of those warriors who once lived here, watching over the sea and protecting their homeland. From the top, the view is simply breathtaking. A sweeping panorama where the deep blue Aegean meets the emerald waters of Balos. It's one of those rare places where history, nature, and legend merge into one unforgettable experience. Gramvousa also holds a place in Greek mythology. Some believe it was once home to Aeolus, the god of the winds, the same divine figure from the Odyssey who gave Odysseus a bag of winds to guide his voyage. Standing there with the sea breeze swirling around, it's easy to imagine that Aeolus still watches over this island. After exploring the fortress, we made our way back down to the beach for a final swim, before continuing to Balos. The water shimmered like glass, and the quiet rhythm of the waves seemed to whisper stories of gods, sailors, and warriors who once passed through these same waters. Our stop at Gramvousa was more than a detour. It was a journey through time, myth, and breathtaking beauty. If you enjoy this story from our Crete adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and explore our other travel posts and videos for more journeys across Greece and beyond. Are you planning your next trip abroad? Then you need to check out the Wise card, the most international debit card on the planet. We use it every time we travel, and it truly makes a difference. With Wise, you can pay and withdraw money in the local currency wherever you are. By applying through our link in the description, you'll get your first transfer of up to £500 completely fee-free. It's fast, it's secure, and the link takes you directly to the official Wise website. Apply for your Wise card today using our link below.